Whoa, it's a bumpy ride, guys. We're almost there. The bus broke down twice, but we got this.
How you feel, hon? First time cliff jumping.
Terrifying. Wait.
Look at her heart rate.
It was 143 a minute ago. Let's see what it is now that I've calmed down for a second. 107.
Alyssa's heartbeat went from
143.
143 beats per minute to 107. Let's check. Oh, mine's not on.
Woo!
24-foot cliff and a 44-foot cliff. Super epic, man. Hope the footage looks good. The way we had to hold the camera, they wouldn't allow me to be like this, so you can see that. But you had to jump straight down, had to hold it close to my chest, protect my Apple Watch. It was insane, but my feet are actually really worn out from the Vibrams. I can actually feel my pinky toe elongating from like the freaking rocks massaging my feet and just.
Are you guys doing that just for fun, or do you guys put it on YouTube?
Oh yeah, we put it all on YouTube. My hips and my ankles and everything are starting to open up more. Man, if you hear the water in my head. Joking, literally.
Alright, so we just did waterfall jumping, waterfall slides. The hike was amazing. It was like a 40-minute hike, right? 30-minute? 30. Yeah, probably a 30-minute hike there and 30-minute hike back. Now we're about to get on the super bus, aka the struggle bus. It stopped 2 times on us on the way here, but worth it, man. Lots of scenic. I couldn't bring this camera here, which is, you know, the cinematic camera stuff we use for everything, but we did use the D. Lots of good footage. Do you have anything to add?
No, I'm pooped.
She's pooped.
It was fun though.
I think we're about to go back to the ship, get some food, and then we're gonna try to come back out. And I might try to fly the drone over Amber Cove, but if I can't, then that's gonna suck. But try to get some photos, some drone shots, and then probably wrap it up and go back to the ship and get ready for dinner. Alright guys.
Are you stupid, Alyssa? There is?
Dinner. Sorry, lunch. Better get some lunch. So we'll see you guys there.